Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your Binance wallet address on the Binance application. And we'll be taking this step by step. Our first step is opening up Binance. From here, we're going to head over to the wallet section and we scroll to our right where we have our spot wallet. And we'll be making use of the search icon where we search for BNB. And now we can have a total look at the number of BNB we currently have in our possession. And what we're going to do now is simply get our BNB wallet address. You simply click on deposit and you click on BEP20, not ERC20 or BEP2, BEP20. And now our wallet address is shown. This wallet address is basically our Binance wallet address because this wallet address is responsible for all BEP20 related transfers and transactions as well. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can find your Binance wallet address and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.